I'm Heidi Peltola, a biomaterial professional and Chief Product Officer at Sulapac. Sulapac is a material innovation company from Finland, bringing solutions to the global plastic waste crisis. With Sulapac materials, companies can replace conventional plastics in a range of applications without compromising functionality or aesthetics. Sulapac main business areas are cosmetic packaging, food service products, and thermoformed packaging. Sulapac is a validation partner in ReBioCycle, so we will provide horizontal approach on testing recycled biopolymers in high-quality cosmetic packaging products. Sulapac is also able to give insights on the requirements of these prestigious brands in the cosmetic field. The most innovative or important component in the ReBioCycle project is really testing different recycling technologies in real-life settings. It's very valuable, not only to validate the practicality, but also really accelerating the recommended sorting methods and recycling technologies in a larger scale in the EU.